Hey guys, today I want to review the PS5 Horizon 2 Forbidden West version, and also we're going to review FIFA 23. Of course, we're going to review Horizon 2 Forbidden West, but first I'm going to unbox the PS5. So let's go ahead and unbox the PS5 together. And Alan here is going to help me.
Hi, I'm Alan.
Hey Alan, he's going to help me out unbox the PS5. Let's do this, Alan. Give me 5. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox the PS5 and see what we got. So we've got the PS5 Quick Start Guide. This looks interesting. So this is the Quick Start Guide. You can see here, it says that you have to attach the base, and you can have it in the vertical position or in the horizontal position. And these are the instructions on how to do that. Home screen. Cool. And this is the PlayStation warranty card. This is the safety guide. Okay, that's pretty cool. What do we got here? And
Okay, here I am.
hi, buddy. Okay,
Hi.
so this is the base. Oh, what's that? Alan's channel on YouTube. Hey, you got a channel on YouTube, buddy. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description.
Yeah, but there's only one video. I'll make the rest tomorrow.
Okay, and this is, what is this? This is the base. You can set up your PS5 to be in the vertical position or in the horizontal position. This is the PS5 controller, the wireless controller. And check this out, man. Yeah, it feels pretty solid. You know, I got to be honest here. I'm not a big fan of the previous PlayStation controllers because I felt like they were kind of flimsy. I always thought that Nintendo's controllers were better, maybe not the Switch's controller because of the dreadful, if you've heard of the drifting problem. But usually the previous versions of Nintendo's controllers were much better in terms of quality than PlayStation controllers. That's my humble opinion. But this really feels good. It feels pretty solid. Okay, then you got the power cable. What else we have here? HDMI cable. And now, let's see the PlayStation 5. Come help me out. Pull it. Good job. And this is the PlayStation 5. And cool. I like the PS logo over here. Check this monster. I'm not really a fan of Plastic City here, the shiny plastic, because that's going to be fingerprint and scratch city pretty soon. But it's not bad. So you got a USB-A here, USB-C, got 2 USB-As here. That's where you could charge your controllers, a LAN port, HDMI, and the AC and adapter. It's pretty cool, man.
Hey, Baba.
Hey, buddy.
What is this?
What? That's where you put your CDs inside. Let's take it for a spin.
So inside this is the CP and you put it in there?
Yes, buddy, we're going to do that. Cool.